Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase site authority with Ahrefs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase site authority with Ahrefs, start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Once logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer tool. Enter your website URL into the search bar. Click on the search button to analyze your website. Review the overview report that appears. Pay attention to the domain rating, or DR, which indicates your site's authority. Next, scroll down to the backlinks section. Analyze your backlink profile by checking the number and quality of backlinks. Look for referring domains that have high domain authority. Identify any low-quality or spammy backlinks that may be hurting your site. Use the disavow tool for any backlinks you deem harmful. Now, shift your focus to the Content Explorer tool. Enter keywords relevant to your niche. Sort the results by the highest domain rating or social shares. Analyze top-performing content to understand what resonates with your audience. Take notes on the type of content, formats, and keywords being used. Next, use these insights to create or optimize your own content. Make sure to target long-tail keywords that show potential for ranking. Once your content is ready, promote it through social media and outreach. Track the performance of your backlinks and content regularly. Observe changes in your domain rating over time. Continue this process to steadily increase your site authority. By utilizing Ahrefs effectively, you can boost your site's credibility. With consistent efforts, you'll see improvements in search engine rankings and overall visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.